Good morning, dear students. After a long break, it means after the exam, now we are going to start our study again. So just try to understand and take care, take properly precautions. Be at your home only and just do your studies well. Okay. So now we are starting the chapter first. Already noted, I taught already chapter 2 fraction and the rational numbers. So now we are going to according to series. So we are start the chapter first. The name of the chapter first is integers. And what is integer? Anyone can say? Integer means the set of all negative and positive numbers are called integers. The set of all negative and positive numbers are called integers. It means there are all negative numbers and positive numbers including called integers. Okay, so there are two types of integers, positive integer and negative integer. Negative integer and positive integer. First, integers means negative 4, negative 5 are also there, negative 6 are also there, but I don't like this. Negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and here increase negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, and like this. Okay, so what is the integer? It means all negative and positive numbers are called integers. The set of all negative and positive numbers are called integers. Okay, like this, including the zero also. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Zero जो है ना तो positive है और नहीं क्या है negative, but integer है. Okay. First type the negative integer. Negative integer means all negative numbers. All negative numbers are called negative integers. Okay. And now suppose the example negative 8, negative 7, negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, and negative 1. And here negative 9, negative 10. This is the ascending order of the integers. Okay. Next, positive integer. All positive numbers are called positive integers. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 is neither negative nor positive. 0 ना तो negative है और नहीं क्या है positive. Okay. But 0 is an integer. Okay. Next, the one more term is the absolute value. Absolute value. I think already I told you about the absolute value. Absolute value means absolute value of an integer is the value of the integer without considering its symbol. उसके symbol को, उसके sign को consider किए बगैर जो value होती है उसको हम कहते हैं absolute value. The absolute value of an integer is the value of the integer without considering its symbol. उसके symbol को consider किए बगैर जो उसकी value है वो होती है उसकी absolute value. Suppose denoted by modulus of n. The absolute value of any integer is denoted by modulus of n. Modulus of n means suppose you are given number 3. Then write the absolute value of 3. Then absolute value of 3 is 3. Okay. We don't consider the symbol of. Symbol is positive, but we write only 3. But suppose you give me negative 3. Then the absolute value of negative 3 is also 3. Do not consider the symbol of the given integer. That value is called absolute value. आपको क्या करना है, जो भी इंटीजर दिया होता है उसकी सिंबल को कंसीडर नहीं करना है, उसके सिंबल को छोड़ देना है. इसके अलावा जो बचेगा वो उसके एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू को. सपोज एग्जांपल नेगेटिव 7 की एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू क्या होगी 7. ओके. एंड डाउट, so take the screenshot and write the definition and all things in your notebook. Okay, so I think you understood the what is the integer. The integer means all the set of all negative and positive numbers are called integer. There are two types of integer, negative integer and positive integer. Negative integer means those number are negative called negative integer. All negative number are called negative integer and all positive number are called positive integer. Okay. Next, absolute value topic is there. Absolute value means the value of the given number without considering its symbol. उसके symbol को consider किए बगैर जो उसकी value है, that value is called absolute value. Okay. So now we are starting our exercise 1.1. So first question is like this. One more important thing is there. The important thing is that first I will send the YouTube video, my own creative videos. So just to try to understand. And then if face the problem, then we will consider the Google Meet classes. I will arrange a meeting on Google Meet after the class. And then whatever your doubts, then you can ask me there. Okay, I will clear there. But it is necessary to see the video first. Afterwards you can ask. Okay. So now first question find the additive inverse of the following number. What is the additive inverse? What is the meaning of the additive inverse? Additive, anyone can say? Ashwin, Isika, Ishana. Additive inverse means, suppose you are given a number 2, which number you will add in 2, then the result becomes 0. It means if we will add negative 2, then the result becomes 0, because 2 minus 2 is 0. Then this minus 2 is called additive inverse of 2. This minus 2 is called additive inverse of 2. Suppose one more example, you have having a number negative 3. Which number you will add in negative 3, then you will got 0. Positive 3. It means that positive 3 is the additive inverse of negative 3. It means whatever number is given, you just change the symbol of that number. That number is the additive inverse of the given number. Okay, it means आपको जो भी number दिया हुआ है, just change only that symbol of the given number. आपको क्या करना है, उसका केवल symbol change करना है और वो आपके सामने क्या हो जाएगा, उसका additive inverse. Suppose the additive inverse of negative 5210 is 5210 or positive 5210. This is your answer. Additive inverse of 352, positive 352, it means negative 352 is your answer. Next, additive inverse of negative 3562, so the answer is positive 3562 is your answer. And the additive inverse of 3012, so the answer is negative 301. This is the way to find out the additive inverse. Additive inverse means the number which we have to add the given number, then the result become 0. जो number दिया हुआ है अपने को, उसके अंदर क्या ऐड करें कि result क्या हो जाए उसका 0. That number is called additive inverse. तो आप इस 0 कैसे होगा, तो जो भी आपको number दिया हुआ है, just change the symbol of the given number. That is the additive inverse of given number. So if negative, then positive. Positive, then negative. Negative, then again positive, and positive, then negative. Okay. Next, simplify the following. Simplify. Now we have to simplify. Second question, simplify the following integers. There are 4 questions. We have to simplify the following integers. Too much easy. This is negative 12, and this is positive 32, and this is negative 25. So negative and both are negative. So just you add both of these. Symbol is negative, but you add both of these. Then 25 plus 12, it means 5 and 2, 7 and 3. Then negative 37, and the remainder positive 32. And plus minus is always subtract. We have to subtract. Symbol is negative, but 37 minus 32, 37 is negative. Negative is bigger, so symbol is negative. 37 minus 32, the result is negative 5. This is your simplification. Okay. Any doubt? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, or say on Google Meet. Okay, but the negative 12 are there and negative 25. Two negative are there. So first we will add both of these negative, then negative 37. Afterwards negative positive 32 is there. So 37 minus 32, then 5. But negative number is greater than, so here negative symbol is there. Okay. Next, 10 and 20 both are positive. So 20 plus 10 means 30, and plus minus 15. So 30 minus 15, the answer is 15. Here positive, because the positive 30 is bigger than negative 15. Okay, here the plus 45, as it is negative. There is bracket means off means multiply. So negative का multiply क्या होता है, positive, and plus 30 to the both are positive. The final answer is 5 plus 2 7 and 4 plus 3 7, 77. Okay. Next here negative 65, as it is negative and bracket means off, then negative positive. Multiply of negative and negative is always positive. So 65 minus 18. 65 minus 18. Then result is 15 minus 8. Then 7. And 5 minus 1. Then 47. 47. Okay. 15 minus 8. Then 7. Then 5 minus 1. Then 4. Okay. But negative is bigger. So negative 47 is your answer. Take the screenshot and write in a notebook as it is. So in next question, the third one, simplify the following. Again simplify. But in the second simplification, we got the easy numbers, small numbers. There is the bigger numbers. But whatever we done there, in this question also we have to do like this. Okay. First we have to change the symbols. It is of the brackets, all types of negative 1500 as it is, 1200 as it is, positive 1030 as it is, plus and minus multiplier is always minus. Now just see what is the positive and what is the negative. 1500 is positive, negative, positive, negative. Then two are positive, 1030 and 15. Then you add both of these, 1500, 103, then 0352. The result is 2530. Then negative is 1200 and 1080. Then add all both of these, 0, 8, 2 and 2. Now subtract both of these, then final answer you got, because these both are negative, so negative symbol are there, so you have to subtract both of these, then you got your answer. Okay, it means 2530 and 2280 and minus 0 minus 0, then 0, 13 minus 8, then 13 minus 8 means 5, carry here, 4 minus 2, then 2 and 0. So your answer is negative 250 is your answer. 0 minus 0, then 0, 13 minus 8, then 5, 4 minus 2, then 2. So the answer is positive answer. Because the positive number is bigger and the negative number is smaller, so always the answer is positive. Okay, this is the way to solve this type of question. Next, the second question same like this. This is positive, one more positive is 95. So add both of these, 125 and 95 plus 5 and 5, 10, carry 1, 9 and 1, 10 and 2, 12, carry 1. It means 220. 220 is positive. Afterwards negative number is 110 and 125. Both are negative. So we will add both of these, 5, 2 and 1, 3, 1 and 1, 2, then negative. Now just see, plus 220 and negative 235. It means negative number is bigger, so we have to subtract, but the symbol is answers, the symbol of the given answer is negative because the negative number is greater. So 235 minus 220. Okay, so 5, 3 minus 2, 1 and 0. So your answer is negative 15. Final answer is negative 15. Why negative 15? Because the negative number is bigger than the positive number. So that's why the answer is negative 15. Here also positive number is bigger, so answer is positive number. Okay. So rest 2, C and D is your homework. Just try to solve. If you face any difficulty in solving, then I will send the solution. Okay. But first try to solve. Without solving, don't ask simply that solve, send the solution. Okay. But just try to solve. It is good for you. Take the screenshot, and rest 2, C and D is your homework. Clearly I will mention here, I will say here that C and D is remaining, C and D, and C and D is your homework. Just try to solve. Afterwards, if you face the problem, then I will send the solution. Okay, take the screenshot. So in the fourth question, just see the fourth question. Fourth question, find the product of the following. It means you are given the number, you have to give the number, and you have to find out the product of the following. The product already in छोटी क्लासों से करते हैं, या multiply करना है. Just do the multiply, but take care about the symbols of the given numbers. Like negative and negative. The product of negative is always positive, and 15 multiplied to 15 to the 30. So your answer is positive 30. Okay. Product of positive and negative product of is always negative, and 13 multiplied 13 8 the 104. This is your answer. Product of negative and positive is also negative, but the product of 153 multiply 110. Okay. So the product of 0 0 0 3 5 1 3 5 and 1. So the 0 3 8 6 1. So the final answer is negative 16830. Like this you solve this. The product of negative and negative is positive, but one more negative is there. So the product of positive and negative is negative. मतलब whatever answer you got, it means जो भी answer आपको मिलेगा, that symbol of that answer is negative. Okay, because negative is positive, and one more negative symbol is there. So positive negative is again negative. So the product of first 28 and 6. 28 multiply 6, 28 6 8 40, carry 4, 6 12 12 and 4 16, 168. So the final answer is negative 1020 multiply negative positive 168, and positive negative is always negative, and you have to multiply 1020 multiply 168, then you got your answer. Whatever answer is there, you just kept here. Okay, this is the way to find out the product of the given number. Only we will take care about the symbol of the given number. Okay, and out. Just solve it and write the answer here. Take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Okay. So next fifth question. Find the quotient and the remainder of the following integer. Just like the product. Okay. The next in fourth question we have to make the product of the numbers. So in fifth question, just find the quotient and the remainder. So just like the fourth question, negative is positive is positive, and negative is negative. Okay, so the positive and positive answer is always positive. 28 divided by 7. 28 divided by 7 is 7. 7 to the 14. 7 3 is 21. 7 4 is 28. So answer is positive 4. Okay, negative 98 and positive. Positive is always negative, and 98 divided by 14, then result is 7. Okay, negative and negative both are negative. Negative is always positive, and 100 divided by 4, then 25 is your answer. This is the quotient. Okay, negative and positive always negative. 280 and divided by 7, then the answer is negative 40. Okay, positive and negative is always negative. 980 and divided by 14, the answer is negative 70. You just make the divide, afterwards you got the answer, same answer. Okay, negative and positive is always negative, and 540 divided by 12. 540 divided by 12. 12 is 12. 12 4 is 48, and 2 afterwards 40 minus 8, then 6 and 0. 12 5 is 60. So the answer is negative 45. That side of this answer is wrong. So the right answer is negative 45. So this is the way to find out the quotient. Okay, just take care about only the symbols. Negative is positive. Positive is positive. It means positive multiply positive is positive. Negative multiply negative is positive. And positive multiply negative is negative, and negative multiply positive is also negative. This is the 4 types. Okay, you have to just take care about the symbols. Take the screenshot and write it in your book. Okay. So the next question, 6th one, answer the following question, and we have to give the read the question and give the answer of the following question. First question, what will be the sign of product of 123 negative integer? अगर 123 negative integer है, उनका product करें तो उनका symbol क्या होगा? Just see the example. Example means if you are having 2 negative integers, negative multiply negative is positive. If you are having 3 negative integers, negative multiply negative. Okay, so negative positive, and positive negative again negative. And if you are having 4 negative integers, negative and negative. So negative positive negative again negative, and negative positive. So just see, if even numbers are there, then the result is positive. Just see, 2 are there, then positive. 4 are there, then positive, and 3 are there, then negative. So 123 negative integer, it means odd number. What is the number? Odd. So odd negative integer are there, then the symbol is always negative. Okay. Next, second, if 16 positive integers are multiplied by together, then what is the product of the sign? All positive number, तो positive बोले कितने भी ले लो आप साथ में, all positive, कितने भी positive है सबका product करोगे, then the answer become always positive. Answer is always become positive. Okay. Next, what will be the product of 19 negative? 19 negative odd number are there. So 19 negative number product means negative. Okay, and 15 positive. So 15 positive number product means positive. Okay, so negative multiply positive is always negative. Okay, so final answer is negative. So the product of 19 negative and 15 positive integer is negative. Okay, just consider one thing. If odd negative numbers are there, then the product is negative. If if the even negative numbers are there, then the product is positive, and all positive odd whatever is there, positive is odd or even whatever is there, just positive only. Okay, so this is the answer. And last, what do you observe from the above? इस ऊपर वाले तीनों क्वेश्चन से आपने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया? तो हमने ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि if negative odd number are there, then the product of negative odd number is negative, and the product of positive odd number, product of negative even number is positive. Okay, so the product of negative odd number is negative, and the product of negative even number is positive. The product of negative odd number, अगर odd number दिए हुए हो और वो negative हो तो product क्या होगा? Negative. और even number हो, suppose the question is asking that find the product of 18 negative number. 18 negative number, 18 is even, so the answer is positive. Okay, so just take care about one thing only. If negative odd number are there, then the result is negative. If negative even number are there, then the result is positive. Positive के सामने कोई भी number हो उससे positive ही होगा. Okay, and doubt, so just write in a notebook and try to understand. Then you face the problem, then we will arrange the Google Meet class. You can ask their doubts there. Okay, thank you. Today's class is over. Thank you.